NMN supplement and a longevity blueprint. Supplements that help you stay younger, longer. Imagine waking up at 85 with the energy you had at 50. Your joints don't ache, your mind is sharp, and you're planning your next hiking trip instead of your next doctor's appointment. Science says this is not a pipe dream. It may be possible with the right lifestyle, and yes, the right supplements. And one of the most promising? NMN, a tiny molecule making big waves in a longevity world. Today, we'll explore what NMN is, why scientists are excited about it, and how it fits into a complete longevity supplement plan. By the end, you will have a blueprint you can discuss with your doctor to help keep you healthy and vibrant for decades to come. Warning: some supplements are counterfeit. Be sure to stay to the end, where we will share how to avoid counterfeit supplements. Part 1. The Science of NMN, your cellular fuel boost. NMN is a compound your body naturally makes. Here's why it matters. NMN is a precursor to NAD+, a molecule every single cell in your body needs to produce energy, repair DNA, and maintain healthy function. As we age, NAD+ levels drop dramatically, by some estimates, up to 50% by middle age, and even more in later years. Low NAD+ means your cells can't repair themselves as well. Your mitochondria, the cell's powerhouses, slow down, and aging accelerates. Harvard geneticist Dr. David Sinclair, a leading researcher in the field, has shown in animal studies that raising NAD+ levels with NMN supplementation can reverse certain signs of aging, improve muscle function, and enhance energy metabolism. While human research is newer, early studies are promising. For example, a 2021 study in Frontiers in Aging found that NMN improved muscle strength and walking speed in healthy older adults after just 12 weeks. Another human trial published in Endocrine Journal showed improved insulin sensitivity and muscle function in middle-aged adults after NMN use. Part 2. Real-life experiences. How NMN can affect aging. Let me tell you about Janet, a compilation of many reports, stories, and experiences to illustrate common themes and insights of how NMN affects aging. Hypothetically, Janet is a 72-year-old retired teacher from Florida. 2 years ago, she struggled with fatigue and stiffness. After reading about NMN in a longevity newsletter, she talked to her doctor, got the green light, and began taking 500 milligrams daily, alongside regular walking and a healthy diet. 6 months later, she reported sharper memory, more stable energy throughout the day, and even the ability to get back into gardening without knee pain stopping her. While Janet knows NMN isn't a magic pill, she says it gave her the cellular push to fully enjoy her retirement. Part 3. The Complete Longevity Supplement Framework. NMN is powerful, but longevity is a team sport. It works best when paired with other nutrients that target different aspects of aging. Here's a high-level supplement list you can explore. We plan to offer more detail on each of these supplements in other videos, so subscribe to be sure to get this. 1. NMN, cellular energy and DNA repair. Typical doses: 250 to 500 milligrams per day for general wellness. Best taken in the morning for energy benefits. 2. NR, another NAD+ booster. Some people respond better to NR than NMN. Worth discussing with your doctor. 3. Resveratrol, found in red grapes. Activates sirtuins, the longevity genes, often paired with NMN to enhance benefits. 4. AKG, especially promising for postmenopausal women. May help reduce inflammation, support bone health, and improve mitochondrial function. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, heart, brain, and joint health. Strong evidence for reducing cardiovascular risk. 6. Vitamin D and vitamin K2, bone density and immune support. Many seniors are deficient in vitamin D. 7. Magnesium supports muscle function, nerve health, and sleep quality. 8. Coenzyme Q10, mitochondrial energy and heart health, especially important if taking statins. 9. Turmeric curcumin, anti-inflammatory, joint protection, brain support. 10. Collagen peptides, skin elasticity, joint comfort, and bone strength. Part 4. Safety first. Talk to your doctor. While these supplements can be game-changing, they're not one-size-fits-all. Some interact with medications, and optimal doses vary based on your health, age, and lifestyle. A good longevity plan involves lab testing, monitoring your progress, and adjusting as needed. Part 5. Lifestyle still wins the longevity game. No supplement replaces a foundation of daily movement, walking, light strength training, flexibility work. A nutrient-rich diet, whole foods, plenty of plants, healthy fats. Sleep, aiming for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. Stress management, mindfulness, hobbies, time in nature. As Dr. Mark Hyman, functional medicine pioneer, says, you can't supplement your way out of a bad lifestyle. Part 6. Bringing it all together. If you want to start with one thing, NMN might be worth exploring, especially if you're looking to boost energy, support muscle strength, and promote healthy aging at the cellular level. From there, you can layer in other supplements that target different aging pathways. This approach, starting with NMN, adding supportive nutrients, and pairing them with healthy habits, is what I call the longevity blueprint. A warning: counterfeit supplements. Here are a few reputable brands to avoid counterfeit supplements you might consider. Thorne Research, known for rigorous third-party testing and high manufacturing standards. Transparent ingredient sourcing and NSF GMP certified. Widely recommended by healthcare professionals. Pure Encapsulations. Specializes in hypoallergenic, research-backed supplements. All products undergo strict quality control and third-party testing. Transparent about ingredient sourcing. Life Extension offers a wide range of scientifically formulated supplements. Uses independent lab testing to verify purity and potency. GMP-certified manufacturing facilities. Now Foods has been in the industry for decades with a solid reputation. Invests in extensive testing protocols and certifications. Widely available and transparent about ingredient sourcing. Designs for Health focuses on professional-grade supplements. High-quality raw materials and third-party testing. Known for clinical research backing. While these companies are known for quality, it is always a good idea to verify the specific product S certifications and check for the most current lab testing results. Be aware that counterfeit supplements sometimes come in genuine-looking branded packaging with broken seals, especially on marketplaces like Amazon, so always buy from official or trusted sellers to avoid fakes. Also, consider consulting your healthcare provider for personalized recommendations. If you found this helpful, watch for my upcoming short videos where I'll break down each supplement in more detail, including dosing, best brands, and how to combine them safely. Here's to more years of health, energy, and joy. Subscribe to this channel to be sure to receive all this helpful information. We would love to hear from you. Share in the comments what supplements you have been taking and how you find they have or have not affected your health. Senior Wellness and Health supports your healthy longevity.